could see, this is the number 18 here. This is 0, and it's counting by 2s. How many students chose chicken tenders as their favorite lunch? How many students chose chicken tenders as their favorite lunch?
This one doesn't work. This one doesn't work.
How many kids chose chicken tenders as their favorite lunch?
That's yours.
When you have it, you can show me. Okay, just write it in your book. We gotta start taking care of our material. All right. If you have 10, great. Erase your board, erase your board. We have another question. Erase your board if you got the first question. Second question. What statement can you make about the number of students that chose corn dogs? So here's your corn dogs compared to the kiddos that chose salad. So you're comparing this number to this number. Shh. You don't have to, it says what statement you can make. What statement can you make about, so you don't even have to say the difference. You just, who chose more, who chose less. What could you say that would be an accurate statement about the kiddos that chose corn dogs to the ones that chose salad? When you have it, you can show me. Okay, so I see some of you said difference of 4. You could have just said, you know what? More people chose salad than corn dogs. You could have said that. All right, and number 3. So erase your board for number 2. How many more students voted for salad and chicken tenders than tacos? You have to add your salad and your chicken tenders and then compare it to the kiddos in the middle that chose tacos. So I see tacos is at 12. So you're comparing the kiddos that chose salad and chicken tenders. So you need, what do you need to do with those two categories compared to tacos? When you got it, you can hold up your book. What do you need, Mel? No. Sit down. We're not looking for erasers. Just grab what. Why are you there? In your seat. The reason why I have seats is because I want you to sit up. When we're playing a game, that's fine. But when we're not playing a game, you need to be in your normal seat. Okay, so let's think about that last one. How many kids chose salad? 8. How many kids chose chicken tenders? 10. So how many kids chose salad and chicken tenders together?
18.
18. How many kiddos chose tacos?
12.
How many kiddos? Yeah, 12. So how many more kids chose chicken tenders and salad?
Six.
All right. Keep your board. When adding hundreds, the number of thousands and tens never change. True or false? On your board. When adding hundreds, the number of thousands and tens never change. Is that true or is that false? If you're adding hundreds, the number of thousands and tens never change. What? When you're adding a multi-digit number, let's just say, and you can make up any number you want. Let's say it's 3,672, and you're adding it to 4,951. And it could be a lot of different numbers. The question is, when you're adding the hundreds, what are my hundreds? What are my hundreds? Who can tell me my hundreds? Read.
You have a 6 and a 9.
I have a 600 and a 900. So I have 600, I have 900. The question is, when I'm adding those up, the thousands will never change and the tens will never change. Is that true or false? And you need to justify your answer. Is that true, Deborah? Well, if I add 600 to 900, what do I get? What do I get? So I have 7,000 here. What happens when I add 600 and 900?
You get 1,500.
I get 1,500. So does my thousands change now?
Yes.
Yes. So that was true or false?
False.
Should have been false.
Easy.
All right. Here's my problem, and you can continue on your whiteboard. Marta's tracker shows she has taken 6,514 steps. Then Marta takes another 2,838 steps. On your whiteboard, how many steps has Marta taken? So 6,514, and then she takes another 2,838 steps. I want to know how many steps has she taken? Right now, you should be doing that on your whiteboard. How many steps will she have taken? You should be doing this on your whiteboard. What? On your whiteboard, you should be doing this.
Cut it.
When you got it, just hold on to it so other people have some think time. You should be writing the problem on your board. Okay, when you got it, I want, before you show everyone, once you've got it, I gave you a marker, why aren't you using it? It's fine. You should be doing it, it's fine. When you're ready, I want you to tell the people at your desk group what you got. So Naomi, you can join join Maro and Melanie. What? Okay, once you got your answer, I want you to share it with a person that you're sitting with. So, Anali, you're gonna need to sit with Melanie and Mara for a little bit.
You wanna see how fast I can say a letter?
I can't even read what you wrote. No, I can't read it. Sorry, it's not working. Not 6,514 plus 2,830. What's 8 plus 4? I 10. 1 or 10 plus 10 plus 30. 50 plus 80. Thousand. 1,000 plus 6,000 plus 2,000. All right, so Dallin and I worked that problem together. This is what we got.
Yes.
I saw a couple people that had 42, not 52.
Sorry, I got
But everyone did regroup their hundreds. So make sure when you're adding these up, you need to line them up. Some of you, I'm seeing that you're not lining them up and you're getting confused. Are you listening to me? This will help you out when you're taking a test. If you're having problems because you're not putting things together, you might want to put lines in between your place values. And then if one goes over, like the 40 and or the 4 and the 8, put the 2 down here and regroup that 10 where you can see it. Because when I'm walking around, I'm seeing calculation problems because you're not putting them in the right spot, not because you don't know how. All right, there's my answer up on the board. All right, here is your work together, and then we're going to do some math work and an exit ticket. Kaden walks, so erase your board because you got a new problem. Just relax. Yeah? Okay, when you're ready, give me a thumbs up. You're ready for the next problem. Kaden walked 6,972 steps on Monday. Tuesday, he walked 6,000 344 steps. How many steps did Kaden walk on Monday and Tuesday? Use the algorithm to solve. If algorithm is not your method of choice, you can use any way that works best for you, but if it's not an accurate way, make sure you're doing it on the one that you're most accurate with. Your answer, tell everyone. Oh, honey, you need to be doing this too. There's no excuse to just like sit and do nothing. No couch potatoes in my class.
Wait, but
No couch potatoes here.
I'm totally not a couch potato.
Gotta do something. 6,000. Honey, you're not lining them up.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did. But I didn't.
You know your math. You're just not lining them up. You got a whole board. Remember, we are going to go to our ones, tens, ones first.
Rounding that up, I think I'm 0.01.
See, I knew you knew that. Okay, once you have your answer, show the people at your desk group. See if you guys match. See if you match. Raymond, relax. I'm seeing a lot of impressive answers.
Do we add a 0 at the Oh, we don't match. What? We don't match.
Yep, you need to check. I think you made a messy mistake.
Same.
We got 12.
Yeah, same. I want to watch.
Okay, no, you need to work on the pen.
It's also really 5 houses away from mine.
Wait, what if you guys at the same time? Which plushie is it?
No, it's on the fair teller. It's still on the fair teller. I behave super Yes.
All right, if you got it, show me.
I have no cards.
Oh, wonderful. You guys did a great job on that.
That was pretty hard.
You might need to line up this stuff. Okay. Erase your board, erase your board.
I had it for like this entire time. Yeah,
Wait, like
I
I told
didn't
you.
hear.
Where was the
Real hard.
Okay.